Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel as we are into Election Day 2023. November 7th, 2023, Tyler Hayes here. 10:21, coming to you from Ladysmith along the Canadian National Superior Submain. It's a video lined up for you. We're going to have a southbound on the way. It has met a northbound around Bigfoot. Might have a EMD or possibly a C6M rebuild to lead it, but we're going to find out. See what we got as we will lean back and get them. Here we go. Down at JO, we had the arrival of the A49191. See what we got for our southbound. Another unit in the second slot. We got gate drop behind me. Just as I thought, C6M rebuilt to lead it. 3310! 2860! EPU should be coming. Here it is. Tier 4. M342 again. M342. With the last of it. CR Y600 143. That'll do it for the M342, 41 of the 6th. That started from Ladysmith Yard in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada, and will head bound for Kirk Yard in Gary, Indiana. How about that? And that will do it for my next C6M rebuild of the 3310. Along with ES44AC 2860 and the return of the 3164 again. I recall last leading on the 198 of October 9th. That had my next C6M rebuild of the 3319 as the rear DPU on that. And now there it was on 342. And that is going to do it for this video at Ladysmith. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. I hope I'll see you along the main line. Tyler Hayes out.